What's up, guys? It's Ashton, Ambi Tactical here at the range. This is Jen. Jen, what is your Instagram handle?
It's at Jenny Lynn.
Woo, you got to make sure you follow her. She's a badass. She's also my badass. So today we're going to play a game of horse. This is something you can play with your significant other and or your best friends at the range. Basically, the same thing applies just like basketball. Pick a spot, shoot. It can be a trick shot, non-trick shot, whatever you want. And the person behind you has to make that exact same shot. If they don't, they get a letter. Are you ready?
I am. Should we have like a bet?
Ooh.
Like a good wager or something?
What are we wagering?
All right. Well, if I win, then you have to buy protein smoothies. But
if I win, I get a back rub.
Ooh.
Let the games begin. So Jen is going to be starting us off. She's going to pick a spot for me to shoot, and I've got to recreate that shot.
What is this? How far would you say this is?
Good 20 yards.
20 yards? Should we start there?
I'll start there. She really started out by applying that pressure at 20 yards with a pistol. Those are fundamental skills. Mixed with this wind right now, it's going to be kind of difficult. But I think I can manage.
All right.
You made sure to mark the spot, huh?
I did. I made sure my little feet print were there. Yeah. We don't want you to cheat here. Integrity, right? Oh! Okay. First letter.
I got an H.
Got an H.
We're going to come back. We're not going to let that do. Ladies first.
Oh.
We have to be gentlemen, right?
Yeah. Can we also do like shooting on the move?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's your shot.
But I moved up a little bit closer. Maybe you'll actually hit this one.
That's crazy.
All right. Nice,
See,
nice.
we got to let the ladies first, okay?
Yeah, for sure. Nice. Ah, miss.
Oh, that means I get to choose.
What? Absolutely not. There's no way.
All right. First time trick shot upside down.
I'm literally so scared.
What? What?
I did it. Miss.
No. I was so close.
Miss.
Right over the shoulder. Somebody's trying to get creative. Little does she know I actually like that shot. Good?
Yep. Nice.
So again, trying with the long game. Dun, dun, dun.
Ah! We have to make it from this distance. Nice.
This might be your letter.
Oh, that's so mean. Oh!
What the?
Yeah. Nice.
That's a letter. Give me that H.
One hand?
Oh, that's a O. What's H-O spell?
Oh.
And the words of Ludacris? You the not really. I'm sorry. I love you. That's not real. This is just a game. Just don't hit me.
Again? Thank God. Thank God. Yeah. Who's a hoe now? Who's the hoe now?
Me.
Oh!
Okay. Thank God I'm not pissing you off.
Yep. H-O-R.
Or
It's looking like I'm gonna get my protein smoothie.
Yeah, I was talking a bunch of shit on that last one.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Miss.
No!
Miss.
I love these shots. So even though I didn't make it, she's gonna attempt it anyway. Jesus Christ.
Your turn. All right, let's try it again. Ooh, HORS. Ah.
Make it easy, she said.
All right. I guess that wasn't easy for me. I'll try it again then.
Just because I know you missed it.
I literally cannot stop shaking.
And she got it. Of the redemption. Remember the hokey pokey, right?
Yes.
Get your right arm. Right arm. Right arm.
Miss!
That's great. It's because she's a woman. She's flexible. That's bullshit.
Oh my god. You better hurry. Oh! Oh! Nice. Yep. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna try that. I like that idea.
Wow!
All right, is this a winner takes all? If you miss this, I win.
Unfortunately.
All right.
You're still not a better shot than me.
All right, I feel like you're doing this on purpose to make me feel good.
Yeah.
No!
I'm just saying. Ready?
Oh, he's such a gentleman. Oh! I won!
I'm gonna go back to the drawing board on that one. That cannot. Hold on.
All right. Nice.
At least I got it in the end. I'm okay with that. Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
Moral of the story, guys, you don't have to go out here and have a boring range day. Have some fun with it, get better, and always love your significant other.
Aw. It's so cute.
Till next time, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Look who got her smoothie.